we're going to look at how to subtract mixed numbers with unlike denominators. The problem that we're going to look at today is 9 1/6 minus 2 3/4. The first thing that I'm going to do with my two mixed numbers is I'm going to find a common denominator that I can use so that I'm able to subtract the two fractions easier. So the first thing I want to do is I want to find out what are the common multiples of 4 and 6. So I'm going to list my multiples of 4, which are 4, 8, 12, 16. I'm going to also list my multiples of 6, which are 6 and 12. I'm going to stop at 12 because I automatically notice that 4 and 6 have a common multiple, which is 12. Now that I have my common multiple between both 6 and 4, I'm going to rewrite my problem with the new denominators. Now that I have my denominators, I need to look at how my numerators are going to be changed. Because I multiplied 4 times 3 to get 12, I have to do the same to my numerator. So I'm going to multiply by 3 to my numerator, and my new numerator is 9. And I'm going to do the same thing for my top fraction. I'm going to figure out what times 6 equals 12, and that would be 2. So I'm going to multiply my denominator by 2, and then I'm going to multiply my numerator by 2. My new numerator is 2. As I can see with my two mixed numbers, I cannot subtract 2/12 from 9/12. So I'm going to have to regroup. The way that I'm going to regroup is I'm going to borrow a whole from my whole number 9. When I borrow a whole, that is going to turn my 9 into an 8. And then I need to add on my whole to my top fraction. And because my denominator is 12, I'm going to make that whole 12/12. My new fraction is 8 14/12. Now I'm able to subtract 14/12 from 9/12. Just to make sure I have everything in order, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite my problem for one more time. So I have 8 14/12 minus 2 9/12. Now I can subtract my numbers. 14/12 minus 9/12 is 5/12. And 8 minus 2 is 6. I cannot simplify it because 5 and 12 do not have a common factor. So my answer is 6 5/12.